go, we have Baloo's two puppies. And because I have Cabela's litter of 10, I'm putting 4 of her black puppies in with these two to even out the 2 litters, so 6 for each Baloo and 6 for Cabela. So that nursing goes a little bit better, and we're not letting Baloo's puppies get too fat, and helping Cabela out with the wet nurse. And I've got Baloo's 2 puppies. You see I've clipped the little back over their tails, just clip the hair there so I can easily identify them. And then we're going to add in Cabela's little black puppies. So we have 6 and 6. Once all these puppies are weaned, they can all be together. So there we've got 6 there. And here we have the other 6 here. It's a beautiful fall day, and I'm walking some of the girls out in the woods. It's just gorgeous. Sunrise on beautiful Maple Hill Farm. It's just a gorgeous fall day. We are at peak color.